the channel. If you're new here, I'm a senior software engineer, and today we're diving into the world of object-oriented design by building something practical, a restaurant reservation system. Imagine you're running a restaurant. You have to manage multiple tables, reservations, customer details, and availability, all while ensuring everything runs smoothly. That sounds like a lot, right? Well, that's where object-oriented design comes into play. In this video, we're going to break down the complex task of managing a restaurant's reservations into simple, reusable components using C#. By the end of this tutorial, you'll not only have a solid understanding of how to build a reservation system, but also a deeper appreciation for how object-oriented principles help keep your code clean, modular, and scalable. So whether you're a beginner looking to grasp the basics or a seasoned developer wanting to sharpen your skills, this tutorial is for you. Let's get started. Let's start by looking at the overall structure of our restaurant reservation system. At the top level, we have a restaurant reservation class. This class is static, meaning it's designed as a utility or container for all the core components of our system. The restaurant reservation class doesn't represent an object itself. Rather, it's a way to group related classes that together form our reservation system. Think of it as the central hub where all the key pieces come together. First, we have the location class. This class represents the physical location of a restaurant, with properties like ID and city to identify where the restaurant is situated. Next, we have the restaurant class. This is where the core details of the restaurant are defined, including its name, location, hours of operation, and the tables available for reservations. Each restaurant has a list of tables, and that's where the table class comes in. It represents individual tables in the restaurant, including their capacity and the specific times when they are reserved. The instant class combines a specific date and time to represent when a reservation takes place. This class works closely with our time enum to define precise time slots. The reservation class ties everything together by linking a customer to a specific table at a specific time. It holds information about the customer, the restaurant, the table, and the reservation time. And of course, we have the customer class, which stores details about the person making the reservation, like their name and phone number. Finally, the availability class is designed to encapsulate information about when a restaurant has availability for reservations. It typically includes the restaurant in question and a list of time slots represented by the instant class when tables are available. Now let's talk about time management in our reservation system. In a restaurant, reservations typically happen in specific time slots, 6 p.m., 7 p.m., and so on. To handle these time slots efficiently, I've created a time enum. Here's how it works. This enum represents specific time slots during restaurant hours. Each value corresponds to the number of minutes past 6 p.m. For example, 6 is 6 p.m., which is 0 minutes past 6. 7 is 7 p.m., which is 60 minutes past 6. 8:30 is 8:30 p.m., which is 150 minutes past 6. By using an enum, we make our code more readable and maintainable. Instead of dealing with raw numbers or strings to represent times, we can work with descriptive names, reducing the risk of errors and making the logic clearer. Now that we've covered the foundational classes of our restaurant reservation system, we've built a strong structure to manage locations, restaurants, tables, reservations, and availability. But we're not done yet. In the next video, we're going to take it a step further and dive into the core functionality of the system by implementing the methods that bring it all to life. We'll cover get availabilities to check when tables are free, make reservation to book a table, cancel reservation to handle cancellations, and get reservations to view all existing reservations. These methods will complete our system, making it fully functional. So stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video.